Hello, third grade, and welcome to our math skill practice today. On this page, we're going to be looking at area and perimeter and how we can show those in shapes. Now, a quick reminder, and I want you to draw this up at the top, is that area is the inside, the measurement of the inside of a shape. Grab a different color. So I'll get green here. Perimeter is the measurement of the outside of the shape. And we're going to draw the shape over here on the side. So if I had a rectangle, my perimeter would be this green part. That's how long each one of these segments are added together. And the area, we'll grab my highlighting tool in purple, is all of the inside. And I can find that by multiplying the length times the width. So let's go ahead and we are going to find and draw some of these shapes. When we are given the perimeter, that means that there are 6 line segments. This is one line segment. So I need to make a shape, a rectangle or a square that has 6 line segments around it. So first, let's start at the very top. So we're all making the same shape. And we'll make one line down. We'll make this shape 1, 2 across. So now we have 1 and 2 on this side. We need to have a total of 3 line segments around the shape. So we'll go 1 up and 2 across. To find perimeter, you add all the sides. Perimeter, you add all the sides. So if all of my sides equal 6 units, 1 plus 1, we'll add the like numbers, and 2 plus 2, I should get 6 units if this is the correct shape. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. All right, so we have the correct units. Now let's stick with those same colors. Grab your purple. And now we'll find the area. Area, you multiply the length times the width. Area, you multiply the length times the width. So the length is 1 and the width is 2. What is 1 times 2? 2. Remember, we measure those in units. Put a little 2 at the top, units squared. You can pause the video so you can get all of that down if you don't already. This is if we are given the perimeter. We're going to skip to another one where we start with the perimeter. So let's go to number 5. We're starting with the perimeter, so let's grab our perimeter color. Perimeter is the outside of a shape. Remember, we have to make a rectangle or a square. So I'm thinking in my head, how can I make a rectangle or a square with 16 units? I want you to try for a second to draw a rectangle or a square with a total of 16 units around. Go ahead and try that now. Now there are actually two ways we could draw one with 16 units. You may have a shape that has 2 down, so that's 2. Let's see, 6 across. Two more up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, perimeter, we add all the sides. So let's add the like sides. 2 plus 2 and 6 plus 6. Well, I know 2 plus 2 is 4 and 6 plus 6 is 12. What is 4 plus 12? 16 units. So I have the correct perimeter. But you could have also drawn a shape that had 4 down, 4 across, 4 up, and 4 around. That would have also given you a perimeter of 16. So there are two ways you could have done that. But we're going to use this shape for now. So if you don't have it drawn out, pause the video now and draw this. All right, now let's change to our area color. And area, we multiply the length times the width. So we can multiply 2 times 6 to find the area. What is 2 times 6? 2 times 6 is 12 units squared. Whenever you see area, remember we're talking about how many squares are inside that shape. I can double check and count these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, there are 12 squares, 12 unit squares. Let's do another perimeter one here. So we have a perimeter of 4 units. Grab your perimeter color and draw a perimeter with 4 units. That means there's 4 lines all the way across, all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the smallest little thing. That means there's 1 unit on each side. Perimeter, you add all the sides. So we can add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That gives us 4 units for the area. Get your perimeter color, get your area color. An area, we multiply the length times the width. What is 1 times 1? Easy peasy. That is just 1 unit. Let's move on to number 7. The perimeter has 40 units. So how can we divide 40 into 4 sections that we could add together. So we can use division to help us draw a perimeter. So how can we divide 40 into 4? Well, 40 divided by 4 is 10. So I could try to draw a square that has 10 on each side. So this is going to be kind of long, so I'll start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do 10 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop. I have to redraw that. There's not enough room. So we have 10 top to bottom, 10 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 up and 10 across. Go ahead and label the sides. 10 units here. 10 units here. 10 and 10. Perimeter, we add all the sides. So what is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10? 40. So we have the correct units. Now we need to find the area. The area, you multiply the length times the width. Now it is 10 times 10. 100 units squared. That's how many squares are in this shape. There are 100 of them. Now for your activity, there are 2 more that begin with perimeter that you will be answering on your own. Number 8 and number 10. Try your best and we'll go over them in the afternoon to see how you did.